Morning student, today I am taking business study of class 12, chapter 4, planning. In this part we discuss about the planning. What is planning? Planning means setting objective and target and formulating an action plan to achieve them. It concerned with both ending and the means, that is what is to be done and how it is to be done. In simple word we can say that the planning means finding out the answers of RWHO word, like what is to do, when is to do, where is to do, by whom it is to be done effectively and efficiently. In another word, we can say that the planning is considered to be a basic or the primary function of the management because it precedes other function of management, that is organizing, staffing, directing and controlling. All the functions are performed with the framework of the planning. Okay, let's start with the step of planning process. In this, the first step of planning, that is called the setting organizational objective, then developing premises, then we do identification and alternative course of action, then evaluating alternative course of action with their pros and cons, and then find out the best alternative course of action, then formulating a derivative plans means sub plans, and implement and follow up the action. Let's start with it in detail. First one is setting organizational objective, that is the first step of planning process. In this step we forecast the objective of the organization, that should be specific, that what the firms want to do. Is it clear? According to that, we make a organizational objective, then departmental objective, then individual objective. Each one set their goal according to the organizational goal, and that goal must be specific for a specific time period and must be achieved or feasible. Is it clear? After that, the second step comes, that is called the developing planning premises. As we know that the future is uncertain, so for that uncertainty, the firm makes some assumption. These assumptions relating to achievement of organizational goal is called premises. So we have to develop all the assumptions which relate to the future to achieve the organizational objective in that step, whether it is controllable or uncontrollable. In the third step, identification of alternative course of action means in this step, with the help of all the premises, we find out the different way to achieve the organizational objective. Means develop the different alternative course of action to achieve a one common goal. After completing the third step, we go for the fourth step, that is an evaluating alternative course of action and selecting the best alternative. For selecting a best alternative course of action for achieving the organizational objective, a set objective, it is necessary that we evaluate all the pros and cons of all the alternative with each other. Means positive and negative effects of all alternatives are comparatively studied in this step, and we find out the best alternative which is least negative impact and more positive aspect, and the feasibility, whether it is in physical form, profitability form, economic form and financial form, must be exist there. It's clear? Then go for the next step, that is called the formulating derivative plans. When we find out the best alternative for our plan and we want to implement that plan, for this we develop or make some small plan, that is called the sub plan also, which are helpful for supporting the main plan and helpful for achieving the main plan. And these derivative plans are made to help or formulate or to achieve the organizational goal also. After that, in the last step, we implement the plan means convert the plan into a real action, into a creative work. Is it clear? That is called the implementation of plan. Means we can say that putting the plan into action. And follow up means timely review the plan so that we can go achieve the goal according to our planned manner or not. If there is any deviation, then we can choose some corrective actions or take some corrective action to make our plan successful. Is it clear? So today we discuss about the planning process.